This glorious February weather has given Marie and me a lot of energy, and we're going to tackle jobs around the chateau and try and have a picnic as well. Rumour has it that Marie has made something rather scrumptious for breakfast.
It's cocoa porridge with bananas, blueberries, pumpkin seed, all very healthy.
I feel like the luckiest woman in the world right now. I don't like getting out of bed in the morning, but for porridge like this, I think I can just about manage it.
There's only me and Marie in the chateau. I'm painting a ceiling. So there's our before shot. You can see that in a really bad state. Yep, I've got my work cut out.
I wonder how Marie's getting on painting the ceiling of the downstairs loo.
Spotted. I feel that that's more dancing than painting, but I'd rather you were just dancing actually, it's more entertaining.
Me too!
Great job at the ceiling!
Yeah!
I'm going to go back to my painting, see you later.
See you later.
That's looking a lot better. Marie's doing really well, so girl power is going to get this chateau finished.
Every time I come to Limoges, I pop into one of the factory shops because I'm building up a little collection of mismatched plates from Limoges. I'm just arriving at the Bernardaud factory shop, so I hope we'll be able to find something really pretty.
Bernardaud are one of the most prestigious porcelain manufacturers in Limoges, a town famous for its porcelain. I feel so lucky to live near the factory shops, though I fear this might be becoming an addiction. Oh good, I've had my eye on the service on the left for a while now, and I know exactly what I'm going to take home.
I have another plate for us, Marie.
Okay.
This is it. Okay, you can open it. You look quite scared.
I am.
It's a big bag for one plate.
It's a very big bag. Oh. Oh my god.
You like it?
Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay, let's use it tonight.
Wow. Was it expensive?
It was 89 euros.
89?
As a second as well.
Oh my god.
So we've just got one.
Yeah.
Bernardaud holds the license to reproduce exact replicas of historic French porcelain from museums around the world. I've chosen a plate from the Botanique set made by Sèvres for William II of Hesse. The original set was the largest ever made by Sèvres, and each of the 566 pieces was decorated with a different flower. It's on display at the Château de la Fazanerie in Germany. I chose the Wild Rose plate, which usually retails at 231 euros, so regardless of what Marie says, I think I got a bit of a bargain.
Oh, what plate is that, Marie, that you're preparing?
The very expensive plate.
Well, you don't need to keep going on about the price. I want to be able to enjoy just using it now without feeling guilty.
Okay, here we go.
It's such beautiful weather that Marie and I have decided, for no reason whatsoever, that we're going to dress up and have a picnic in style.
I see, Marie, you've invited some other friends to our picnic.
Yes, I have.
Time for me to get this table laid. I'm sorry, I'm really running behind today. I've used some other plates from my mismatch set. This is another Bernardaud plate. And this one is from Renault. These really are two of my favourites. Yes! Oh, I know you said you were getting the wine. I didn't expect quite a big wine cooler. Yes, it looks so good! What have we got? What have you brought for us?
Prosecco, orange juice and cider.
You are aware, Marie, that there's only two of us on this picnic.
Well, is it too little?
Oh yeah, one more bottle.
Okay.
Wow, even Thor is celebrating. Well, he's showing off his bottom, but not so much the front.
Sif definitely seems interested. Could we have baby peacocks this spring?
Oh my goodness, Thor, you are magnificent. I have been given the great responsibility of taking out the biscuit platter. We're clean out of space.
Yes.
How much food can two women eat? A lot. A lot, it seems. What have we got?
So, scrambled eggs,
My favourite.
baked camembert with bacon and clementine, cheese, salad, and sweets.
And biscuits.
Yay!
We should start every day with mimosas. We had these on your amazing goddess training workshop.
Yes, we did.
And I've been feeling pretty goddessish ever since.
This is a bit of goddess exercise, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
I love the fact that when the two of us are left to our own devices, things get quite decadent.
Yeah.
Cheers, Marie.
Cheers.
You make the best scrambled eggs.
Oh, thank you.
They're delicious, and I can't wait to try the baked camembert. I'm really excited about that. I'm going in for baked camembert with bacon and clementine, you culinary genius. Ooh, look at that.
Save some for me.
What? Who? What are you talking about? Bon appétit.
It's another glorious day at Lalande, and Marie and I are very excited because Fiona is coming to visit us from the Château du Masgelier. She's a fellow Chatelaine and a participant on Escape to the Chateau DIY, so we've got lots to catch up about. But I'm a bit worried because this lovely weather means I've turned the heating off, but it's still freezing cold in the chateau.
Joanne and I keep bumping into each other at the airport, and she's really good friends with Fiona, and then we found out we all live like all neighbours.
Neighbours up the road from each other.
45 minutes away, which
Yeah.
is neighbours
Not even
in
that.
France being so big.
I've invited Joanne and Fiona here to freeze to death in a different chateau.
This chateau is a lot warmer than my chateau, I'll be honest with you. It's about 10 degrees colder than here.
Wow, and still here. Do you want it again?
It's like the Bahamas round here compared to Fiona's.
Fiona is on TV tonight.
I'm very nervous. I'm very, very nervous. I keep thinking back all the stupid things I said.
No,
and all
surely-
the mishaps
surely
and everything
not.
that went wrong.
What are you working on in it?
Restoring, trying to put back a long corridor. Yeah, that was all 70s with carpet all over the walls and the floor.
Carpet on the walls.
On the walls and on the floor and on the doors. Yeah, it took a long time.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, this won't take long. Give me a month, it'll be done.
What's the best thing about living in a French chateau?
The region that we're in, it's it's a lovely region. We have really long summers, very short winters, don't we? Spring, and it's only the end of February.
true. On that note,
It is.
cold.
Yes, please. Yeah.
You two are lightweights. Look at
I
you.
normally have our water bottle in the car.
Oh gosh, you guys have got to toughen up a bit, I think.
What's the worst thing about living in a chateau?
It can be very, very cold in the winters, and it is practically impossible to heat. Mine in particular is all of the stone. There's just all stone walls and heavy beams all on the ground floor, and it's a lot of cleaning, a hell of a lot of cleaning.
Yeah.
So you always sort of get bits and debris all on the floor and the rugs and things like that. You'll go in, everything's clean. Next day you go in, and then a
Because
back
you have all
night-
those exposed walls, don't you?
Yeah, all the stone
Makes a
walls, big,
difference.
thick
Yeah, so beautiful.
5-6 foot stone walls as well. So now I'm thinking, oh, why did I buy medieval? I should have bought something a bit younger because it's so ornate, where mine is very castellated and masculine and all stone everywhere.
That's what my mother wanted me to buy. She wanted me to buy medieval because for her, the history in the stones, that's the exciting part.
My chateau was sort of built by the Knights Templar, 1100s, and with all the dungeons and everything. Which not a lot of people, some people love to go down to the dungeons and open up the dungeons, let's go down. And then other people are, oh, that's really creepy. People have been held in cells down there, and but I love it. We're all kind of looking at each other, sort of nodding, thinking, yeah, we know
No, I was
what's
just
going
thinking
on.
the worst thing for me is easily as well. Winter's the teenager.
This is lightweight for me. Usually I've got so many layers on. So many layers on in the
I didn't
chateau.
realise she was so skinny. I thought she was a size 16.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah,
I'm size 8,
yeah.
I know. But usually I've got so many layers, I can't actually touch my size of my legs. I'm sort of walking around with all the layers.
Fiona's another lover of wallpapers, so I've taken her around some of the bedrooms at Lalande to show her the original papers that we have here.
It's been great going around your chateau, and it's nice to see them because they vary so much, don't they?
Yeah.
They're all different periods and extensions and all different designs, and that's what makes them exciting.
I never go to another chateau without getting jealous.
Yeah.
Because there's always something that we haven't got at home.
Someone else has got, but I think
Yeah.
it just depends on the period, yeah.
Maddie's picked all of this from the garden. That's a sign that it's spring.
That's beautiful. Lovely. Who knitted your hot water bottle cover? You did. Did you knit? You knit as well as sew.
Although last winter I had this mania of knitting. I've got a lot of hot water bottle covers.
Oh,
But this
I
was
was
my
thinking I
second.
had
You can see I
you on,
hadn't
so-
really worked out what I was doing yet.
Love it.
They got better.
Come on then. He's been such a good boy.
It's lovely to have you here.
Thank you. It's
Yeah.
been lovely to come and visit you, see your beautiful home.
You come for the Easter party?
Love to.
Yes.
Would you like to?
Yes, I'm really into textiles big time,
Yeah,
so
patterns
I
and
really
colours and-
appreciate all of those
Love that.
rooms. And you know, I have friends that say, "Look at that wallpaper." When they buy their houses and they take all the French wallpaper off the wall,
Yeah.
and it's just
People told me to.
magnolia.
People, oh, you can't keep that awful wallpaper.
So nice.
Bye,
It's lovely
see you
to
soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Marie, I see you're all set up.
Hi.
This is the best setup ever. We're in my bedroom. We've decided to come and watch Escape to the Chateau DIY together in celebratory style, and I couldn't find a table big enough, so we've got a table each.
It's perfect.
Marie, is that a cheese platter for one, or am I allowed to attack that as well?
You're allowed.
Oh, look how pretty it looks on the new plate.
It's beautiful.
Actually, mainly because you've made it so beautiful. You're so clever.
Merci.
Fiona is definitely my new heroine. For those of you who haven't seen her in Escape to the Chateau DIY this season, she is just plastering, wiring, redoing windows. She is amazing. What did you think of Fiona on Escape to the Chateau DIY?
She is absolutely epic. I've never seen anything like it. She's a superwoman.
She is.
Yeah.
We need to up our game.
Yes. We need to visit her chateau.